Dear friends, at the outset, I express my deepest gratitude to all the fraternity of Indian Armed Forces of Mizoram on the occasion of Armed Forces Flag Day 2024. Armed Forces Flag Day is observed on 7th December every year throughout the country. We solemnly observe this day to pay respect to the brave soldiers who, while risking their lives, selflessly fight to protect our motherland. Indian Armed Forces are the true guardians of our land, sea and air frontiers. They are always ready to make the ultimate sacrifices to protect the sovereignty of this country. It is because of their dedication towards the nation that we, the civil society of India, can sleep peacefully. I take this opportunity to highlight that Mizoram has produced many armed forces personnel who have brought glory to both the country and the state of Mizoram. Apart from other renowned ex-servicemen in the past, the current MLAs in the 9th Legislative Assembly of Mizoram include Lieutenant Colonel Clement Lalmingthanga, retired, and Petty Officer TBC Lalwenchunga, retired. I also take this opportunity to mention with pride that the following sons of Mizoram were awarded gallantry and distinguished awards in recognition of their dedication and service to the nation. Nayab Subedar Jeremy Lalringunga of God Regiment, gold medalist in Commonwealth Games 2022, was awarded Visist Seva Medal. Nayak Lal Mangai Sangha Chinja of 1st Assam Regiment and Major Lal Ding Neta of Madras Regiment were awarded Sena Medal Gallantry for act of bravery in the face of enemy. Sipai H. Lal Rokema of 12 Assam Regiment was also awarded mention in dispatch for act of bravery in the face of enemy. For their valiant acts, a total of rupees 7 lakhs and 53,000 have been paid to these brave and distinguished soldiers. I advise the young men and women of Mizoram to look up to these esteemed personalities as inspiration and to prepare themselves mentally and physically to join the armed forces. Keeping in view of the potential and energy of the Mizo youth, I am sure that those who make it into the armed forces will excel and comes out with flying colors. I would also like to highlight that during the last and current financial years, a total amount of rupees 12 lakhs and 50,000 have been disbursed by the state government to two next of kins of a fatal battle casualty and a soldier disabled in action. On this day, let us also remind ourselves the debt we owe to these men and women in uniform. Above all, we must remember that these brave soldiers left behind their bereaved families who need assistance and support in many aspects. In the last and current financial years, a total amount of rupees 1,58,000 have been disbursed to 30 ex-servicemen and families as financial assistance. Hence, on the occasion of Armed Forces Flag Day, a fund collection drive is being launched throughout Mizoram. The main aim of this fund is to support and assist the needy ex-servicemen and their families who require financial support due to the medical treatments and damages caused by natural calamities. It is my earnest appeal to all the members of our society to have a kind heart while remembering our brave soldiers and ensure their loved ones are well looked after. I conclude by rephrasing the famous inscription at Kohima War Cemetery, "When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow we gave our today." Jai Hind.